Welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will give you some tips for Father's Day marketing to get the most out of Father's Day sales. As you know, every year, the third Sunday of June is dedicated to fathers all over the world. It's a beautiful occasion to connect with family members, and gifting is a great way to show some love to fathers. First of all, you need to decorate your homepage for Father's Day. The first impression is crucial, so do your best to properly decorate your homepage and highlight your Father's Day offer. Start with what is most plain, the color scheme. Colors are important. They affect how people identify with the world and what purchase decisions they make. For this occasion, use a male color scheme, blue, gray, green, or black, and add a little bit of pink or orange, or yellow to highlight important information. You can increase your store's sales by adding a special Father's Day section on your homepage. For example, you can use a carousel with featured products, and a strong call to action to take visitors to a dedicated landing page. And, whatever sales tactic you choose for this occasion, whether a bundle, discount, or BOGO, please make it stand out. It should be visible as soon as visitors land at your Shopify store. Besides, delivery details have a crucial influence on purchasing decisions. Not only do people want to get their gifts on time, but they also want to avoid unexpected shipping costs. Of those who abandon their carts, more than 50% do so because of unexpected shipping costs. So, it's best to address this as soon as customers land on the page and to be straightforward about any additional fees that may occur. The second tip I want to share with you is you need to launch a Father's Day email marketing campaign. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach and engage your audience. It allows you to personalize your messaging and target specific segments of your email list. By sending wish lists, gift guides, or coupon codes through your email campaigns, you will remind your prospects and subscribers about the upcoming holidays. And not only that. By sending a newsletter, you will remind your leads and customers about your brand, raise its credibility, and inform them about the news. Above are 2 tips for Father's Day marketing that I want to share with you. May it help you gain more sales. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.